Good evening, Professor. Welcome. I heard you have some recipes for delicious proteins. Tell us everything! We just want to know how you make those beautiful proteins.
We have time.
A lot of time. Share it! And give us what we need, Professor!
We need it badly.
This milk, it's disgusting.
We need stretchy cheese.
Speak up, Professor. Give us your secrets!
No? You're sure?
You can stop talking, but you can't stop thinking.
In fermentation, microorganisms can convert sugars and other carbon sources into proteins.
Stainless steel.
Same natural process we've trusted for centuries to make beer, bread, cheese.
Sugar. Oxygen.
Very nice.
Reimagined to safeguard our future protein supply.
Microorganism.
Proteins for food applications, but also outside of the kitchen.
Good, Professor. Very good.
Here he is, our wannabe secret agent. On a mission not for diamonds, but for proteins. Fermentation, a technology using microorganisms to produce proteins in an efficient, scalable, and climate-friendly way, can help us secure our protein supply.
Good evening, Mr. Bond.
Miss Moneypenny.
This production system can run indoors, locally, anywhere, anytime.
Good evening, Mr. Bond.
A high-level fermentation expert is held is hostage.
I can't hear you. You need to push the button.
And now?
Your camera. Push.
Can
push
you hear
the
me?
Camera.
A high-level fermentation expert is being held hostage. Your mission is to rescue this professor so humanity can reap the benefits of his knowledge.
Don't touch it, Mr. Bond. So, the latest in protein-based spy tech, the protein grenade, explodes with creamy precision. An egg white foam wall for instant cover.
I usually just duck.
And what we also have, super sticky cheese. It immobilizes an enemy instantly.
Sticky situation. Got it.
Through fermentation, microbes can produce specific types of proteins, and it ain't just for food. They're also in detergents, biopesticides, cosmetics, textiles. Proteins are magic and can provide all sorts of desired functionalities.
Good, Professor. Good.
Our friends, they want the information.
Professor, come on! Give us the recipe!
Do you hear me?
Inside giant fermenters, microorganisms can convert sugars and other carbon sources into proteins. These processes are clean, efficient, can run non-stop, and are ready to be deployed globally. Let's join forces. With science, industry, and investment, fermentation can bring independence, resilience, and jobs. The future is fermenting as we speak.
Congratulations, Mr. Bond. The professor's knowledge is safe. Europe has what it takes to succeed: feedstock, infrastructure, knowledge and skills. Fermentation can make us global leaders.
Case closed, Mr. Bond.
Happy to help. But if you'll excuse me, I have a more personal mission.
Mr. Barnes. Smooth.
Proteins. Stirred, not shaken.